open this thing.
All right, so this is the newest BRC board. We made a creepy Mickey for Abel. Say hi, Abel.
Hi.
Do you like it? What's your favorite part about it? The ears. And we got BRC boards, and we used the glitter. We used black glitter in it. You can kind of see it shining through, but it didn't as good as that one. But the feet really turned out well. So, what color wheels did we put on it, Abel?
Red.
Are they red clear ones or red solid ones?
Red solid ones?
Red clear ones, huh? That's the ones you wanted. We haven't done the back yet. We're gonna put another. We're gonna put a Seahawk logo on the back. So, but we got that. Turn it around. Turn it around. So, this is Abel's skateboard, and Liam is over there, and we are gonna make him a what?
Black Panther?
A Black Panther board.
I want red wheels, but everyone said no.
So, what do you guys think? Comment down below if you think the Black Panther one should have red wheels. He's a big fan of red. He loves red stuff, so. But.
Because it would look like he's bloody.
Oh.
And creepier. And on the back, on this side, and red on this side, actually.
Alrighty. Well, thanks guys for watching. There's the creepy Mickey board.